Turmeric is a versatile ingredient with many uses, but it's important to know the difference between turmeric root powder and turmeric extract, especially if you're looking to harness its health benefits. Turmeric root powder is made by drying and grinding the rhizomes of the turmeric plant. It's a staple in many Asian cuisines, adding a distinctive yellow color and earthy flavor to dishes like curries. This form contains a range of active compounds, including curcuminoids, about 2 to 5%, essential oils, and other nutrients. Turmeric extract, on the other hand, is standardized to contain 95% curcuminoids, focusing on maximizing the amount of curcumin, the primary active ingredient responsible for turmeric's health benefits. This concentrated form is designed for therapeutic purposes, offering powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It's commonly used in supplements to support joint health, reduce inflammation, and enhance overall well-being.